Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be going over, can I pause my time tracker on Hubstaff? So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are wondering if they can pause their time tracker on Hubstaff. Well, I researched this answer and here's how it works. Now this only works if your company already has a work break policy. So you will be able to actually go ahead and take a break or pause your time tracker after you've actually started tracking time. So as you can see here, the break icon looks like a coffee mug, and once you click on the break icon, it's going to give you a variety of different options as far as what type of break are you actually taking. So on your mobile app, again, here's what it looks like. After you press the timer, you're going to see a coffee icon when you need to take a break. And then with the break, there's several work break policies available. Like maybe you're taking a breakfast break or lunch break, and then after you click on the coffee icon and select the type of break that you're taking, you would simply just click on take break. Now with that though, you could actually go ahead and add breaks manually by actually stopping your work and then adding manual time. So here you can see that there's a work break being added. Again, you need to select the policy and then also insert what time you're taking a break and then click on save. But in essence, you can actually go ahead and pause your time tracker on Hubstaff. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually answer this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.